Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and welcome to another Declutter and Donate video. So in today's video, I will be tackling the entertainment center that is right behind me. There is a lot of random junk in here, home decor, things that don't belong in here. So I'm going to take everything out, I'm gonna organize it, I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna keep and what I'm going to donate to the thrift stores in the future once they are open. So here is my entertainment cabinet, and it used to be filled with mostly DVDs, but about 6 months ago I moved them upstairs into my loft entertainment center, and right now I'm just storing extra home decor items that I'm not currently using, and also other random things that really don't have a home, so this is where they are being currently stored. So it's really not too bad in here, but I feel like it could be organized a little bit better, and I'm just going to start with taking everything out of the cabinets. Now that everything is out, I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down with some Windex. I'm also going to do the same thing for this middle section here. I'm going to take everything out and I'm also going to wipe it down. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side of the cabinet. And this is the side that I keep most of my home decor items in. A lot of the stuff in here you may recognize from my previous thrift hauls. And oh my God, I miss thrifting so much. I would much rather be thrifting right now. So here's everything that I took out of both of the cabinets, and it's all laid out. So I'm just going to organize it, figure out what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to donate and what needs to go in different rooms. So I have a ton of these Dollar Tree organizer bins all over my house, and I use them for different things. So I had 2 spare ones, so I decided to use them for the entertainment cabinet to kind of group like things together. In this first bin right here, I have some extra photo frames, as well as some random home decor items and some knickknacks that I like to switch out every now and then. In this next little organizer, I have some random items like room spray. I have an extra wall plug-in outlet, as well as a couple extra coasters. And in the last Dollar Tree organizer bin, I have all of my gaming stuff that was in that Target bag that you saw. So I have a Nintendo Wii, I have some games, and I have some controllers, and they're all nice and neat in this bin. So just doing this step right here by putting everything into the bins and then putting them back on the shelf really made a huge difference and made everything look nice and neat. So now I'm going to show you everything that just needs to be put away into different rooms. So I have a couple of things that need to go outside, like this hummingbird feeder and this DIY watering can, and everything else just needs to go upstairs. So here's everything that I plan to donate to the thrift store, and everything on the left side are all previous thrift finds that I've found within the last 3 years that I'm no longer using anymore, and everything on the right side is things that I bought brand new. So before I show you everything else that's in the cabinet that I organized, here is what it looked like before on the outside, and here is what the cabinet looked like before on the inside. And here's what the outside of the cabinet looks like now. Not a lot has changed, but I did get rid of the dried hydrangeas that were inside of this bowl. They were really dry and crumbly, and I was just really over them, so I threw them away. This white bin that had candles in it is also cleared out, and I'll probably end up putting photo albums in here. I also donated the candle that used to be on the top in the middle here. It was starting to look a little bit cluttery, and I really like the extra clear space on the top. And here's what the inside of the cabinet looks like now after I finished organizing everything. I did find another Dollar Tree organizer, and I put all of my candles and my lighter in this one bin. And then I have the other little organizer in the back, and then I have a candy dish that I like to put out from time to time in the front. And then down below that, I have the other bin with all of the gaming equipment inside of it. And then moving along to the other side, I have some seasonal home decor on one side. I have a little piggy planter, and then I have some antique keepsake items on the other side. And then below that, I have the bin with the random frames and all of the other home decor items that I like to switch out from time to time. I like having it all corralled in here. Then I put all of my donations in a box and I loaded it up in my car. I also moved all of my other donations from the previous videos into my trunk as well. It was giving me a little bit of anxiety storing it all in the closet, and I will just keep adding to it as the project continues. So man, with everybody decluttering, I bet the thrift stores are going to be loaded once they are open again. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's Declutter and Donate video. I hope it inspired you to declutter something, and I'll see you guys in the next.